Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Ngacheipailak, and I thank you once again for stopping by and interacting with me here in my channel. Nali kachungani shalui shitlay nana adam kuishop laka ini kini with short interaction hili rangarum luishit kaijuwang nali nishi hai achiva ini kini ngazakachi achomtang Iwe last video chili payray channel na kangahan kada otkasa concentration zang laga matalagay na concentrate sa laga otsapay khala kachu maram li ngazek rum ngaye pay rum ngaye kachu bang I ache nalirasam pangri haywe jana you experience na hangge Ihi 2005 li Bangalore li daye kala od katiyo la kachung kasaye kala rana Miami de real estate construction company li join baksa sampange chili ina od kasahi pung trada truk aina dang kasaye kala na thay real estate li join saura jatam jitran li Mi kachunga na discourage say katata sakla jalaga then a real estate is you should know original languages java kimomi jalaga Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, all those regional languages ka in actually marar lagay na in a decision ko I don't need it because if I want to, then I can do it without that. Jana atsu rashungda I Canada gali Bangalore li ran sang da pamai salala I aram dui masatim ni. It's not good I know. Ka iwi ningli in a block sawe atum nei na Canada dui tape lungre na chili ot salaga a growth sarajika janina no. Ye aram do matay I can still grow. Deka sana ya. Da ina hang kangai le. Ina sa da otsawa maman laga competition it's very difficult. It's a real estate one of the most organized sectors. Chili competition sa takle kapaihi winning ne. Mayang na wali competition kasane. Ka sa kajang muda chief brand officer. Aina tang the senior management. Aina tang the company jili. There are more than 5,000 employees. Company jili there are more than 5,000 employees. Ara ina hangkangai hikiwang ina hipanaw kala jilaga. Nala ila otsaye. Gatong otsasar delay. Bangalore li la baye, Delhi li la baye, Mumbai li la baye, Zingum tra ta panga maku, otsa kai mi kjum kale, ring panaye, ka growth vagathat le, ka ka mi rinli promotion ka la baye, kada in a simple term, na trigad le ka mu trigad le, na otsa dak le ji na growth le li ka male de le ka chipai na kamatai ne. Ina Bangalore li ta thar le ka tamjli. Bangalore na kapam na Bangalore bomb le na thayra Bangalore Central chili third floor li showroom li sasai li Wrangler counter le phabam chili otsa laga iwi neighbor iwi lamli Wrangler counter le chili ili karnawa kana matala kana tamji thai sapa iwi magthai chili hang mi kasapa Tangkhul after so many years, after more than a decade. Tangkhul Bangalore Central chi ungane yu kar thau laga. Yan ga jana nya shom chi lai thor cha rien de ga laga yu na chali otsak sa chi phni ngai. Ning mu yung lak au gida I bar sang sa phong laga third floor le tai vek yong ga jana to my surprise imata khak awe. Iwing lem li jingum Tharamamangli, Pomgasaba to Fort Suck, Naningsai. Generally, she now get in a Valaga Hagwasakwe. hakwa sa khoi la na ke ta de le di kle yana ala phala ke na ili sampang khoi ini sampang khoi la ka shi khoi tili awin mi wi complain je a how pa wo shi de our Bangalore mi ne tui la sa de survey ina khang na da ili la tam ki thei ki shapa mi ne ka tha la wa jing mo thra lang khai wi tili ji ta le jing khai je kiwi ma brown muchuk yang say ina hili point na ka ni muchuk ngai le point courage well do not focus on activity focus on result it to me activities bajali longsan me card satyo gida ye result mi ni yiplung ne ke chipahi malai hawe ache na bloga activity bajali winning la result bajali focus ase akabanava know the difference between just movement and actually moving forward adam ka sa gida na I growth later but no time to time we have to introspect ourselves growth here automatic meaning ne growth require our conscious effort and our subconscious habits Jumong lai say akanava itum hi itum na thei ki jakale where our focus goes there our energy will flow and where our energy flows there the result will be naje or iaje uniquely we focus actually because khayam atom nai we focus to PUBG or online games the social medias it definitely our energy will flow stronger and bigger that side kana way profession here digital marketing online professionals we're doing really good kaining profession achieving we really need to get back on track bottom line don't just do your work don't just get busy with the activities what you're doing it focus on the result uniquely the result the focus hard like any time da kya rala bai kya competition rala bai result ji consistently made like cover nala manga kachung ka bai it me entrepreneur journey le chipapa me entrepreneur being he sometimes it me ka activities part the jumna the young we forget that we need to produce more result to sustain and grow in a market Jine career pursue sadly or na katam shi sadly la bai na pung kya ka lai ba lag ji it doesn't matter kanana padak le ji concentration sang like a result kya chok la ji ba ti na kam tai ne no we atom to wa ni shi la khai re phai channel vi tha da nanang han khangai ina thai khamrao ina thai ki ji le cover commently sang below next time itum something we should say I mean ini something we should say like a katuk kharjan no willa you will katuk kharjan ili nali shok tak le ari ka da struggles ha tak le or ari ka da in a solution something hai na something hai ji la share some more like a ring pala kaina pom we should say ki hi han ngai ne thank you so much no way to make sure ring power no